that we have the best food in the entire state. And we brought it to Raleigh. So if you want it after we leave, you got to come back down. We got plenty of food. Showcase who we are, share a little bit of Lumbee culture with the folks here in Raleigh. And I tell you, we got a lot of great friends and partners here in the General Assembly. We got a lot in the House, and we've got a lot in the Senate too. I found
people, your culture is what you do day to day. How you live your life, how you act, how you relate to your friends, your family, your community members, and neighbors. And so part of our culture today is you're going to see individuals making different things like earrings. You're going to see some bead work going on, some basket making. You're going to see some of our pottery that's been passed down for generations, for centuries among our people. And also we're going to do a little contemporary thing. We have Locklear wine here, and Mr. Durrell is here. Yeah.
Boys, love y'all. See y'all.
It's always fun when folks come. It's been a long run.
How are you doing?
I'm like getting a lot of
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.